Hi mga higala! Welcome back sa akong hiking vlog. For today's video, kuyog napunta ninyo another mountain adventure, Mount Kitanglad, the fourth highest mountain in the Philippines, standing at around 2,899 meters above sea level. This was a 2-day hike with travel seekers. Friday pa lang, naglarga nami, then abot dito sa Malaybalay Bukidnon, dinner sa Amikadali. Then after that, proceed na dayon mi diri sa assembly area sa Sitio Intabas, La Fortuna, Impagsuong Bukidnon. Dito nag-register mi ug nag-attend sa orientation. I-explain sa organizer ang mga rules, safety ug reminders ug important guidelines nga kinahanglan sundon during the hike. Before sa actual climb, napud short ritual as part of the preparation and a sign of respect sa mountain ug sa local community. Day 1 and around 7 a.m. nagsugod na jud mi sa among journey paingon sa summit. Sa first part sa trail, makakita dayon mo og mga stairs. Sabi nila around 15 sets of stairs daw ang imong mga agian before you get closer to the peak. Pero mga higala, ayaw mo pag-expect na stairs ra jud siya tanan, char. After those stairs, dayon ang mga bato-bato nga trail. Dili na nimo ma-feel nga hiking jud ni, char. Hinay-hinay lang mi sa among pace, step by step, breath in, breath out, then padayon. For me, hiking is not about being the fastest. It's about reaching your goal safely and enjoying every moment along the way. And of course, dili malikayan ang kakapoy na moments nga moingon ka sa imong sarili na pahuway na, char. Pero imong mind moingon padayon na kay duol na jud ta, char. And every time na makakita ka sa beautiful surroundings, sa mga green-green nga mga surroundings, sa mountain, ug sa pagi atmosphere, murag mawala gamay ang kakapoy. One thing I really love about hiking is the people you may start as strangers but along the way magtinabangay mo, maghinulatay, magstoryahanay, ug mag-encourage sa usat-usa. That's what makes the journey more meaningful, char. And Mount Kitanglad is definitely a mountain that will test your patience, strength, and determination. Standing at 2,899 meters above sea level, this mountain is not a something basta-basta lang. Every step toward the summit is an achievement. Pero mga higala, naapa jud mi long journey ahead, char. As we continue climbing, mas nakadaghan ang rocky portion and the trail become more challenging. So we just keep our own pace, took short rest when needed, and drink water jud, and continue moving forward. Kaysa hiking, sometimes you don't need to be strong all the time. Sometimes, you just need to keep going. Padayon lang jud. And of course, special thanks to my Travel Seekers family for making this adventure even more memorable. Kay pang third, kuan na ninako hiking na memorable kay sa ilang. First, Mount Apo, second, Mount Pulag, then kani katulo na sad ang Mount Kitanglad. To everyone watching this, if you're also dreaming of conquering mountain, remember this. You don't have to be the strongest or the fastest. You just have believe that you can finish. So mga higala, this is only the beginning of our Mount Kitanglad adventure. We will reach the summit. Will the weather cooperate? And unsa pa ang among maagian along the trail? Charot. Thank you, Lord, for another mountain adventure and for giving me strength to continue pursuing this passion. And thank you so much for watching.